Good morning at kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? I had a very long sleep. I feel refreshed. Hindi naman mukhang fresh masyado, pero siguro pag nag-ahit-ahit na ako. Anyway, again, ang daming balita sa news. Magagalit na naman ang ating mga bashers. So, may balita sa news. It's an old saying sa amin data ng bata pa kami. Ganun, nasanay lang na sa salitang ganun. Daming balita sa news. Ika nga, ang daming chika sa news. Daming pasabog sa news. Yun ang ibig ko pong sabihin. Anyway, isa sa napanood ko ngayon na nalulungkot ako. Tama ba? Ellen Adarna. Medyo marami ako napanood kanina umaga at saka ngayon na nilalabas niya ang kanyang hinanakit. Yung iba dyan matagal na siguro na kwento. Pero marami siyang pasabog. Pero isa sa mga hindi ko nagustuhan, dalawang mga hindi ko nagustuhan doon is number one, sabi ko nga sa akin, masakit sa akin ng isang mag-asawa na baka umabot sa batuhan ng siraan. Ay ako'y nananawagan sa atin mga kaibigan ni Ellen Adarna. I don't know her personally, we're not close. Kaya lang dun sa mga nalalapit kay Ellen Adarna, hindi maganda yung mga hinahalo yung galit, emotions, walang patawaran, sinasabi. Ito lang ang mga ilan sa mga sinasabi niya. Pero bottom line is, I think Ellen Adarna is very hurt because hindi na natigil yung supposedly na mga ginawa sa kanya ni Derek Ramsey. Yan. Meron pa daw mga recordings ng hindi ko alam kung ano meron doon sa recordings ng pag-aaway nila. Sana hindi naman umabot to sa sakitan. Somehow kahit paano na-associate ko yung sarili ko kay Ellen Adarna kasi naglalabas siya ng sama ng loob through social media. Ayaw ko kung saan siya, sa FB ba siya naglalabas o TikTok or may mga kumukuha na lang. So ako, may advice lang ako sa friends ni Ellen Adarna. Take this seriously. Kawawa naman yung nakikita ko ang sakit na pinagdadaanan ngayon ni Ellen Adarna. Maaring minsan sinasabi niya kumakanta-kanta lang siya, ganyan, pero I think deep inside nasaktan yung tao dun sa and baby, bahal niya pa, pero yun nga, sobrang sakit na nangyari. Kunyari, nahuli ka ilang beses ng cheater. Masakit sa asawa yun. Masakit sa asawa yun yung nag-cheating yung asawa mo. Pero kwento lang lahat to, sa pagkakwento lang naman ng mga narinig ko. Ang tanging advice ko sa mga friends, yung mga malalapit kay Ellen, huwag niyong pababayaan si Ellen. Especially those who are really around her na kasi hindi natin alam, maaaring pwede mangyari na pag hindi niyo sila bantayan. Kaya yun, Ellen Adarna, pasensya na ang pagbagong gusto ako, bulul ako. Ellen Adarna,
napakadubag mo, puro ka lang salita. Yan ang problema sa'yo. Go avoid every fucking conflict in life. That's the ultimate.
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen, pwedeng mali.
You always raise
I'm
your
always
voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to raise...
naligaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tubag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo. Lahat ng ikaw kasi ikaw
Diba,
lang
I
alam.
told
Ikaw
you,
lang
I
may
told you
alam.
I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is
Maybe
falling
because
off?
that means something
Oh,
to her.
okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be
Okay.
replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tingnan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami? Bakit mo ako pinakasalan? Di ba yun ang tanong?
I think one of the things that she was painful about was that the timestamp of the cheating messages that she found out is they were new in a relationship. And so she said, if we are on a honeymoon period and a man is able to do this already, how much more if the relationship goes stagnant and boring, which all relationships go through. And that makes sense because based on science, my love, if you want to know if a person, what happens to the brain when a person is in love, is we get hyper focus on a single person.
Yes,
this is
that's
for
true.
monogamous relationship. And so if it's very new and you already have a lot of people in your head, not only the one that you're supposed to be hyper focused, probably maybe it wasn't in love, maybe it was a relationship out of whatever pressure, could be business or whatever, we don't know that.
Make a decision. So it's speech for you, right? Stand up. Stand up. No, stand up. Stand up. That's a decision. That's a straight up decision. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stand here. So. I open it. Look, if it's not that, it doesn't matter. But if it's that, I swear you understood the essence of it, and it's the beginning of completing your path, and you created a completely different connection with your intuitive mind. Let's see. Come on. Go ahead.
Welcome to the Kami Logan training. Very good. Very good. That's an intuitive one. That's the Kami Logan. This is what Kami Logan is about. It's not about the violence and the act. It's this. Then